thank you for tuning in today. Today I'm going to teach you all how to teach your baby sign language. So the first thing that you need to know is that repetition is key, and the best day to start is day 1, and it's okay if you start on day 120 or 360. The point is that you have started. So repetition every day. So this is milk. So baby's here. Would you like some milk? That's all you gotta do. And do that every time throughout the day when you think baby wants milk or you're not sure what baby wants. At 4 months of age, you can start introducing solid foods, such as a tiny bit of rice cereal that's really watered down with formula or breast milk. When that starts and you want to start spoon feeding baby, you can teach them eat. Do you want to eat? Now you have milk and you have eat. The only way to teach them is to do this every time and associate it with a situation. So milk or a bottle, and you get out their spoons and bowls and their food, and they get to eat. Now baby will start reacting first before they start signing. So they'll get excited or they'll get more upset. You'll see that they are bouncing, their eyes start to get bigger, and they start kicking their legs and they gasp from excitement. They wiggle around, or they will start to move back and forth and they're angry. Listen to your baby and understand what their needs are. If you don't think that your baby understands what these signs mean yet, then please just introduce the products that they are supposed to be getting and an action with that. So, would you like to eat? And then offer them the spoon. Would you like milk? Offer them bottle or breast. Other crucial signs that are the most helpful for me with my children are more and all done. When they can express to you that they want more, that's much more important than eat or milk, because once you figure out that they need to eat or that they want milk, do they want more? Do you want more? Sometimes you have to hold your spoon in your hand and still sign. Do you want more? Show them. Do you want more? By 6 and 7 months of age, you want to start taking their hands and say, show me more. Grab the hands, show me more, and touch their fingertips together. Show me, all done? Are you all done? And you're gonna model this over and over and over at every feeding. And sometimes it's gonna be, they're done with their bouncer. They're done laying on their play mat. They're done with a toy because they're sleepy and they just want up. So, all done? Show me, are you all done? Put your hands up, all done, and you have your little baby hands in yours, and it's wonderful and it's cute. That is so helpful, because the things that they get most upset about is they want more to eat or they're all done, and they get really upset when you don't know. So the first thing that you'll see is either they get excited when you say more or they get upset once they understand it before you see a sign. Same thing with all done. You'll see kicks and excited. Yes, 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 I'm all done. You know what I want. Yes, they get so excited. So pay attention to your baby's cues. They are communicating to you non-verbally, and they are communicating verbally with the types of sounds they make. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they content? So pay attention to all of those things and watch your baby and get to know them on their personal level. Another thing that I like to do during our music time is to do sign language with the ABCs. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So please feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you need to learn those signs. Hopefully I did enough repetition with everything other than the ABCs. Now you have the tools that you need to get yourself started. These are the basic signs that you really need before they start talking so that they can communicate to you and not get frustrated. Thank you guys again for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now it's time for a special message from co-founder Kate Kropp.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please check the description down below for any links or goodies that we may have included. Also, please leave us some comments, questions, inquiries, anything that you want to say to us. We would love to hear your feedback and we will respond. If you would like to see these videos continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is very important. We hope to see you next week. Thanks everyone for watching.